Good morning, everyone. I'm Amy from Amy's Acrylic Artistry. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so very much for being here. I have to apologize. I have my AC running in the background because once again, it is going to be over 40 degrees Celsius here in Ontario. Just an hour south of Toronto. And I'm on the 4th floor. It's hot already. It's only like 6:30 in the morning and it's hot. So apologies for that, but I have to keep it running. Today I am doing a set of coasters with the same colors that I used in my last video, using up some of those leftover paints. I really loved the final result of the piece from last video. So I'm going to put up a finished picture right here. Like I said, beautiful colors. They worked out absolutely amazing, and I would really like to do a set of coasters. So that's what we're going to do today. So let's get painting. So you're going to notice with this first coaster and the rest of the coasters that I actually left out the copper color. I did the first coaster with all of the colors from the previous piece and just didn't like the way that the copper blended. So I omitted the copper because the blue-green combinations just looked so absolutely beautiful. And I added in this pearl violet just to give it a little bit of iridescence as well. All the other colors are exactly the same, so it was just a swap of the copper with the pearl violet. I will have all of the colors listed down below in the description. I would love to hear if this piece was an inspiration for you. This is such a great color palette. And I'm not a huge fan of just green. I love turquoise, but green is just a color I don't typically paint with, but I really love this custom olive that I mixed up and created on my own. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love if you would do so. I'm so very close to hitting 3,000 subscribers and would love to hit that goal this summer, and would love to see more of my viewers commenting down below. So let me know what you think of this piece, and if you could hit the notification bell as well as the thumbs up. And even if you would share this to your Facebook page and tag me at Amy's Acrylic Artistry, that would be absolutely fabulous. I would definitely give you a shout out. Okay, time to throw on some music. Enjoy watching these coasters being created. And like I said, leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear what you think.